2019-20, and today we're going to share you guys a video of our Raspberry Pi project. Let's begin.
In this project, we use Raspberry Pi, programmable logic controller PLC, various sensor and actuation system in order to develop a material handling system to complete the task given. We also determine the operation of material handling system that can be performed using the hardware given and decompose the operation into several sequences. By using the Raspberry Pi, we create a program by using a Python to store the airboard into the container that moves around in the conveyor belt. There are three objectives for our project. First, to identify the pneumatic and electronic component and their function in operating the material handling system. Second, to develop a material handling system by integrating various sensor and actuation system using Raspberry Pi microcontroller. Third, to solve the problem that occur while doing the project and try to complete within the given time.
Hi, I'm Fikri. So today we are going to talk about the box that we are using in our project. Where is the box? Oh! So this is the box. So this is the box that we are using in our project. It is made of the plastic cardboard with the laminated clear plastic, and we mount the sheet of aluminium. In industry, this box represents as the can of biscuit that contain a variety of biscuits. So imagine that we have two feeder. The first one contain the chocolate biscuit and the second one contain the vanilla biscuit. So all this biscuit will put into one box for the manufacturing process.
Hi, I'm Han. So today I'm going to introduce the material handling system. At first, you should press the black button to allow the conveyor belt to move the box. And the box starts to move to the left side of the machine. And then we under the proximity sensor, so the tool cylinder will start to have the action of extending and also the retract, and allow the ball to drop and then be collected by the box. Okay, now the box keep moving on to the left end until it's reached the second proximity sensor, and then something happens is that it collect one ball also, and now the conveyor belt start to reverse to the left side of the machine. Okay, and then in these conditions, 1 second is enough. So we need another 2 cycles to collect properly 8 ping pong balls.
Hi, my name is Woon Li. So now I'll be explaining about the Python code of our project. So firstly, we'll import the Raspberry Pi GPIO as GPIO, and also import the sleep function, exit function, Pi GPIO module, and also DHT22 Python file. Before we start, we'll go to the Linux command and type sudo pi GPIOD in order to activate the DHT22 humidity sensor Python file. Next, we'll be setting up all the input or out and also output to the respective GPIO pin, and also initiate the GPIO for Pi GPIO and sign out the sensor. So next, we'll also setting out the input and also output, and also define a function outside the loop which is enable the sensor to read the humidity and also temperature of the ambience. And we'll be setting up the initial condition, which is all the cylinder is extended, and inside the loop there's 0 and 1, 0 which means retracted, and 1 which means the cylinder is extended. So we'll be using while loop in this case. When the black button is triggered, then the conveyor belt will be start moving and the system will start working. And N represents the total number of times that the proximity sensor sends the metal plate, and next we'll be reading the humidity and also temperature of the ambience every second. So inside here we'll be using if loop. If the sensor 1 is triggered, then the conveyor belt will be stop moving and one ping pong ball will be dropping inside the box. And next, the conveyor belt will continue moving towards the right until it meets the second sensor. Once the second sensor is triggered, then the conveyor belt will stop as well, and the same thing will happen as the first loop, but just the direction of the conveyor belt will change to moving towards the left. So there's 4 ways to stop this system. First is by pressing the red button, or the humidity of the ambience board more than 80%, or by pressing the keyboard interrupt, which means the Control C, or the lastly is by when the proximity sensor sends 8 times of the metal plate, then the system will automatically stop.
Okay, hi. So I'm going to explain about the precautions that need to be taken for this project in order to make it succeed. So come closer. This is the end product of our wiring and all. It's quite messy, but it works. So let me tell you the first and foremost the precautions that need to be taken. First of all is the wiring. So wiring, you need to be precise and be cautious, and you need to put the connection very detailed based on the schematic that you get or that you build by yourself. And in order to, the problem that we faced during the experiment is that the strength of the tightness and also the connectivity of the wire. So in order to make sure the connection is quite rigid, for our case we use masking tape. So people can cut the masking tape and then reinforce it and strengthen it by here, so that the connection will be very rigid. And next is the voltage divider. So as you know, the PLC here provided 20 kilovolt of electricity, while the Raspberry Pi only takes intake of 5 volt to 3 volt only. So in order to make sure the voltage doesn't fry out the memory chip or any CPU here, we need to create a voltage divider. So the voltage divider that we use is here for these both sensors, the proximity sensor 1 and 2, which is this. This first is the 10 kilo ohm, while this one is the 2 kilo ohm. So by using this, we can approximately get the voltage intake for this one within 5 volt to 3.3 volt by calculation. So in order to check the voltage again, we can use this device, which is the multimeter, which you need to set within 50. Since we don't have any 20 volt, I mean, we can use 50. And then we take the anode and cathode of it, put it here, and check the electricity that flows through it. Okay, next is the IC board. So as you know, this integrated connecting board is quite old, so you might need to check the connection at the below of this board. And if there are any loosened part, then you need to soldering it in order to make the connection perfect again. And use also multimeter to check at the connectivity of it. And last but not least is the coding itself. So the coding of the Raspberry Pi every year it changes in an extent of an update. So you need to be very cautious about the tabs and also spaces and also the semicolons and brackets. You need to check through the forums on the internet for help in order to make sure your coding will not have any bugs, and you need to debug it in order to make it succeed. So that's all for me. Thank you. Okay, so we're already reached at the end of the video. So we hope you guys who are watching this are enjoyed it and find it interesting and learn something new from it. On behalf of my team, would like to say thank you for watching the video up until the end of it. And then I also say hit the like button if you guys enjoyed this video. Share with your friends and people that might find this interesting and can learn something new from it. I'm Muhammad Zuhair bin Ahmad from Group M06, signing out. Peace.
Okay.